How to use a Vanilla Visa gift card on PayPal. Here's how it works. You want to sign into your PayPal account, and then from the right corner we want to select add card or bank. Once you have selected that option, you will see link a debit or credit card right here, so you just want to click that. But before you can do this, you will need to assign a billing address to your Vanilla Visa gift card. Simply Google it, register Vanilla Visa gift card, and once you have assigned an address, you will click on link a debit or credit card. Once you select that option, it is going to ask for the Vanilla Visa gift card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and also the billing address which you have assigned to your Vanilla Visa gift card, like I said in the previous step. Once you have assigned the address and filled out this information, you will simply click on link card, and that way you will be able to use the Vanilla Visa gift card with your PayPal balance. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.